Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a group in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first step, which is crucial, remove all members. Okay, you can only remove members if you are the admin. So make sure if you want to delete the group, well, just make sure that you are the admin. So open up the chat and then tap on three dots right here at the very top, and then go ahead and tap on group info. Now when you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see the members. So you are the group admin, here are the members. Tap on one, remove. Okay, remove. Tap on one again and you'll be able to see a remove button right here at the very bottom. So just tap on it and tap on OK. Once that's done, you're only one that's left. Okay, so you can clear the chat. There will be no messages. And then go ahead and exit out of the group. Okay, exit. Once done, wait for it. Go ahead and go back. And after that, you can now go ahead and tap on delete group. Delete. And you're good to go. That's how simple it is to delete a group in WhatsApp. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.